Want to use Grab with Waze for navigation? In this video, I'll show you how to link Grab to Waze step by step. First, open the Grab app on your phone and select your ride or enter your destination. Before starting your trip, check the navigation or map options available in the Grab app. If Waze is supported as a navigation option on your device, open your phone's navigation or default app settings and make sure Waze is installed and available. Then, return to Grab and look for an option to open the route in another navigation app. Select Waze from the available options. Waze should then open and display the destination or route, allowing you to use Waze for navigation while your Grab trip continues. If Waze doesn't appear, update both apps and check that your phone allows them to open supported links and locations. And that's how to link Grab to Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.